You're not bad with money. You're just playing a game that was never designed for you to win. And the worst part? You don't even realize it's happening. You try to save. You try to be responsible. You tell yourself, this month will be different. But somehow, it never is. Something always comes up, an expense, a bill, an emergency. And suddenly, you're back where you started. So you start thinking, maybe I'm the problem. But what if you're not? What if you're not failing money? Money is failing you. Look around you. Nothing in your environment is designed to help you save. Everything is designed to make you spend. Your phone, your apps, your notifications. Everything is optimized to take your attention and turn it into spending. Limited time, only today, last chance. It's not random. It's engineered. And every day, you're fighting against it. Now here's where it gets unfair. The less money you have, the more mistakes cost you. Miss a payment? Fee. Late again? Another fee. No savings? You borrow. And that borrowing comes with interest. And that interest keeps you stuck. Because now you're not just spending, you're paying for past mistakes. And this creates a loop. You fall slightly behind, so you focus on catching up, but catching up costs more. So you fall further behind, and now you're not building, you're surviving. And survival mode kills long-term thinking. You don't think about the future, you think about today. And again, that's not failure. That's human. But here's the part that changes everything. This doesn't just slow you down, it creates a gap, a growing gap, between people who can move forward and people who are stuck catching up. Because when someone has even a small advantage, they don't just move faster, they move earlier, they invest sooner, they recover quicker, and over time, that gap compounds. Not dramatically, but quietly, until one day, it looks like two completely different lives. Meanwhile, you're working just as hard, but moving slower, and that gap keeps growing, quietly, over time. And here's the lie most people believe. If you just worked harder, you'd be fine. But effort alone doesn't fix structural pressure. Because this isn't just about effort, it's about timing. It's about starting point. It's about the rules of the game. So what do? Not perfection, not extreme discipline, just small shifts. First, awareness. Because once you see the system, you stop blaming yourself. Second, protect your downside. Avoid the big leaks, interest, fees, repeated losses. And third, play long-term, even when progress feels slow, because slow progress is still progress. Because the truth is, you were never supposed to win easily. But once you understand the rules, you stop playing blindly, and you start playing intentionally. And that changes everything. If this changed the way you think, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.